Hello my beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. Today's your first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video I want to prepare a very delicious melon bitter leaf soup. You can see the soup, so yummy. Yeah, my soup is very delicious. So let me show you guys my ingredients. Yeah, these are all my ingredients. I have here my bitter leaf. Yeah, this is my already washed bitter leaf, this water leaf, and I have my fish. Yeah, this is fish, cow skin, and stockfish. I've already washed them very well together, and this is goat meat. Yes, god, this soup is going to be delicious. Crayfish and pepper, seasoning cube, salt, periwinkle, and palm oil. So without wasting time, now I'm going to set my pot on fire, and yes, I just put my fish and stockfish and adding some water. Yes, I'm going to boil it. I'm going to steam it very well. Yeah, before we begin our cooking, added a little water, and this is the goat meat. Will go together. It's frozen, it was in the freezer. So this is pepper, seasoning cube, salt, onion, and then I will cover it and allow to cook very well. Yes, so this is it. Yeah, if you have taken melon bitter leaf soup before, how do you cook your own? Drop a sweet comment on the comment section. This is periwinkle, we call it mfi. Some people call it isam or pium pium. Yes, put all of them together and cook it very well so that it will taste well. So I add in my remaining pepper, and this is crayfish, seasoning cube, yes, now is water leaf. Adding my water leaf. So yes, I will stir it to mix together. Then I will cover it and allow to boil very well. Yo, look at this. So this is the time I will be adding the melon. I'll be adding my melon here. Yes. Yeah, now I will cover and allow to cook very well. Wow. So guys, I will stir it and know if I still need to add some water before I go in with the bitter leaf. So finally I'm adding my bitter leaf. Yes, soup is almost ready. After adding this bitter leaf, I'm going to just cover it and then open and add my palm oil, and your soup will be ready. Guys, this soup is going to be very delicious. Get your eba, pounded yam, semovita, fufu, plantain fufu. Get all of them ready because it can go with this soup very well. So now we add my palm oil. Yeah, we need enough palm oil in this soup. Now I will stir it. Soup is ready. Look at it now. The aroma alone. The aroma. Oh God. My dear, if you taste this soup, oh my goodness. Very, very delicious. My baby licked her hand away while she was eating this soup. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.